Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to start chapter number 8, measurement of physical quantities. How far is your school from your home? How much is the table heavier than the chair? How much more water can be filled in a jug than in a glass? How long is the duration of the day? All these are the questions that we often heard and we answer. Today our topic is physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Length, mass, time, volume. These are the example of physical quantities. Physical quantities have at least two things in common. One is the size or magnitude and other is the unit in which the quantity is measured. Next topic is international system of unit. Beta, to measure a physical quantity, we compare it with some standard quantity. For example, if we have to purchase some sugar, we must know how much quantity of sugar we need. A need of some standard quantity for measuring unknown quantity. This standard quantity is called unit. Various standard units have been in use at various times in different parts of the world. With the passage of time, these units were made more precise and acceptable. People, especially the business communities and scientists of different countries, faced problems of converting the unit into one another. This problem was solved in a conference of the scientists from all over the world held in Paris. In 1960, the 11th General Conference of International Committee on Weights and Measures recommended that all the countries of the world should adopt a system of same kind of standard units. This conference recommended the use of International System of Units. It is abbreviated as SI. According to this system, the unit of length, mass, time and volume are given as they are shown in the table. Physical quantity length, its symbol is L, its unit is meter and the symbol of meter is M. The meter is a rod that is made up of platinum and iridium and it is kept in the International Bureau of Weight and Measures in Paris. Next physical unit is, standard physical unit is mass, whose symbol is M. It is measured in kilogram and its symbol is kg. The standard unit physical quantity is time, whose symbol is T and its unit is second, which is symbolized by S. Next physical quantity is volume, whose symbol is V and its unit is cubic meter, whose symbol is MQ. A practical unit of volume is liter. Mostly the liter is used for measuring volume of liquids such as milk, petrol, cooking oil. It is 1000 part of a cubic meter. Therefore, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, that is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Next topic is prefixes. The main advantage of SI unit is that their multiples and sub-multiples can be conveniently expressed using prefixes. Prefixes are based on multiplying and dividing the units by power of 10. The words or letters added before SI units such as milli, centi, kilo are known as prefixes. Milli means thousandth part. Millimeter is a thousandth part of a meter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Centi means hundredth part of a meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Kilo means 1000 times of meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. multiples and sub-multiples of length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 kilometer. Multiples and sub-multiples of mass. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 milligram is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 gram. And 1 gram is equal to minus 10 raised to the power minus 3 kilogram. Submultiple of times are 1 millisecond is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 second, and 1 microsecond is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 second. Okay, next there are some examples. Number 1, convert 5 meter into millimeter. In order to convert 5 meter into millimeter, we will multiply 5 with 1000, and it will come 5000 millimeter, that is equal to 5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 3 millimeter. In order to convert 50 meter into centimeter, 50 meter is equal to 50 multiplied 100. It will become 5000 centimeter, or we can write it as 5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 3 centimeter. Example number 3 is to convert 20,000 grams into kilograms. 20,000 grams, in order to convert it into kilograms, we will divide it with 1000, and it comes 20 kilograms. Next we have to do mini exercise. Number 1, complete the following. 1 kilometer is equal to dash. Beta 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to dash meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to dash meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. The next question number 2 is that the height of a student is 150 centimeter. What is his height in meter? We have to prepare data. Height of the student is equal to 150 centimeter. Height in meter we have to calculate it, and we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. In order to convert 150 centimeter into meter, we will divide it with 100, and it comes 1.5 meter. So the height of the student is 1.5 meter. Thank you.